Hello, welcome. I'm Jack from MediaFuse. This is my African accent. In this video, I will show you how to make animated videos like this and how to make lots of money with it. Let's get started.
Before we continue, please kindly tap on the subscribe button and also leave me a thumbs up so that I'll be motivated to do more videos like this. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Subscribe. Thank you very much for doing that. Now, let's continue.
So the tool we are going to use is LensGo AI. We are going to use it to create our avatar and turn our picture into a cartoon. So once you come over to this website, just create your free account, then click on this place that says Resize Photo. This page is gonna open up, then you tap on this upload image and upload your image. So I'm gonna upload one of my pictures. Uploading. Once the image has been uploaded, you are going to give it a prompt like this one. So you come over here, you can see that there are some options available for us. So you can see you can select the model we want, whether you want real one or you want anime. Then there are other ones you can select, like pizza style, 3D style, and lots of other ones. Let me select pizza style, then selected. You come down here, you can see image dimension, so you can choose the image dimension you want. Then you can also choose the number of images you want this AI to generate for you. So I'm going to select 4. You can also select test guidance scale and negative prompts, but I'm not going to do that. So I'll come over here and hit start, and it's gonna generate 4 pictures for me, as you can see. So I can just select any one I want from these 4. So I'll just go through them. I don't like this one, so I'm just going to go back and select the last one. So it's downloading and downloading the last one. Remember to take note of the prompt I gave to the AI. So you can give it any prompt you want depending on what you want it to generate for you. You can keep giving it different prompts till you are satisfied with the result. So let's go and animate the picture we just downloaded. We are going to make use of another AI tool called DID. So once you come over here, just create your account. It's free. Just create your account and start your free trial. Once you have created your account, tap on this place that says create video. You can see that I already have some avatars here, but we are not going to use any of this. We are going to import the one that we generated. So I'm going to tap on this place that says add. Then I'm going to import that picture that we downloaded. It's currently uploading. Sorry guys, I have to go and generate a new avatar because the previous one doesn't actually look like me. So I have to go back to LensGo AI and generated a different avatar that looks like me. So this is it right now. So this current one actually looks like me. So let me show you how it looks. Let me show you. So this is LensGo AI. So you can see the 4 avatars that I generated. I'm going to upload it here so that we can animate it. Open. It's now uploading. It's now uploaded. So here we can add our script. But if you already have an audio that you recorded, you can upload it here and make use of it like a voiceover that you did. You can upload it here. I will select the English that I speak, like the accent. So I will go with English Nigeria because that's my accent. You can see the available voices for the language that you choose. So these are the 2 voices available for English Nigeria. So let me play it.
Hello, welcome. I'm Jack from MediaFuse.
As you can see, the AI is speaking English using African accent, just like I am doing now. So if you are satisfied with the result, you can tap on this place that says generate video. So you can see it, you can watch it. But I'm going to tap on generate button. So it's currently generating the video for us. So here you can play the video and see how it looks.
Hello, welcome. I'm Jack from MediaFuse.
So now that I'm satisfied with the result, I'm going to hit the download button. I'm going to download this particular video right now. So all you have to do is just tap on the download button and it's going to download into your laptop. or your phone, depending on what you are using. You can use Canva to do the rest of the editing, but I am going to make use of CapCut. If you don't want to use the background in the video we generated, you can use Leonardo AI to generate YouTube Studio background for the video. So I'm going to download this one, and you are going to use it to edit that video that we generated. Inside CapCut, we are going to import that background that I generated using Leonardo AI. You can also use the CapCut in your mobile phone to edit these videos. They are both the same process. So right now that I have imported the background, I'm going to add it into the timeline. Then next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to import that video that we generated. Imported. Now we're also going to add it to the timeline. The next thing I'm gonna do is remove the background of this video. So I'm going to select auto cutout. So you can see applying auto cutout. So I'll just wait for it to remove. Now the background has been removed. So I'm going to stretch this background so that it will match with the video. So I'm going to stretch it. Okay, it's good now. I'm still going to make some little editings. I will drag the video closer so that it will look good. So I think this is okay. I'm also going to drag the background so that it will match the video. So I think it's okay now. I'm going to add blur effect to this background so that it will pop. So under video effects, you tap on lens, then you scroll down till you find the blur effect. Here is the blur effect. So I'm going to download it, then I'm going to add it. I've added it. So let me reduce the blur texture a little bit. So just hold this button, then you drag it down. So I think let me increase it a little bit. So I think it's okay now. So I am going to, I think this is better now. So as you can see.
Hello, welcome. I'm Jack from Media Fuse. This is my African accent.
So I think I am satisfied with the results. I'm going to tap on export. Here you can select your video exportation preferences. So I'm going to export this to my laptop. Now let's get to the more interesting part, how to make money with this scale. If you come to Fiverr and type animate photo, you can see that a lot of people are offering this service. You can see that a lot of people are doing this thing and are using it to make money. They come here, they create the account, they set up gigs like this one say I will animate your 2D image or character into a loop video. So they are using this AI to make these videos and they are using to make money. So let me search for something else. Let me search for animation for YouTube. So here you can see, let me scroll down. So you can see I say I create a talking animated AI character video from your photo. That is the same thing we just did right now. Let me show you another strategy you can use to make money with this scale. So if you come to YouTube, you can see that this person owns a faceless YouTube channel. So that means he will be needing your service. So what you will do is you find channels like this, then you go to this place, this about, then you can see view email address, then you tap on it. So if you tap on it, then you say I'm not a robot, so you just tap on it, then you submit, then you see the person's email address, then you copy the email address, then you do this as many times as possible. Then what you do, once you have gathered the email address, lot of email address, let's say like 10 in a day or 20, you come to your Gmail inbox, then you send emails to these people and ask them if they need your services. You can also include your Fiverr gig link in the email so that they can see that you offer the service, and the thing will serve as an escrow. You know, they have not met you before, so they will need an escrow. So once you provide your link, once you come to your email, you can use this heading, this email heading, need animated video for your channel. You write it in capital letters, then you put question mark so that it will attract his attention. Then you put question mark. Then once you put, then in the email body, you write to the person, you go straight to the point, ask the person if you need your service, that you can do it cheap for him. You understand? So if the person says that you are good, he will hire you every week and you're making consistent money. And remember what I said, include your Fiverr gig link here, and then you send this email to like 20 YouTubers in a day. At least some of them will reply you. You understand? And hopefully one of them will hire you. So I wish you good luck. Also remember that there are infinite number of ways to make money online, and this is one of them. And what I do on this channel is that I teach you different ways you can make money online. You can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and check out other videos that I have published on this channel. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. Bye.